Okay, we're playing an Alamo game. It's where a team of large people have to defend. Just defend. We have however many people here. I think like 5 people defending. I'm videotaping, and we have 3 people attacking. They have a medic, which is Steven there, with his L96, and Matt is climbing a tree.
It's not gonna go.
They're just defend. They have to defend for 20 minutes. And Jack likes teabag. Same. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to the attacking side, and they will be defending. Here I am with Billy, with his, or actually he's using my Echo 1 AK-47, and he's crawling up on the Alamo. And there's Nolan. Billy, watch out for Nolan. I'm gonna walk in front of him. There's Nolan there. I have a kid up in a tree up there too. There's Billy laying there on the ground. Nolan is there. Guys, this is just me over here. Got Matt hiding in the tree. Whoa, shit! Here! Don't shoot, don't shoot! I am walking out of the Alamo! Do not shoot me, I'm an orange. Not orange, whatever.
God, wait! Oh my God!
Yo, who's back here?
Oh, you're so lucky I almost shot you.
Got Matt's in a tree, so watch out. We have Brad and we have Devin back there. There's golden shotgun and Brad is using Jack's gun.
Pistol time. You have a pistol?
I'm going back in. Guys, here I come, it's me. Don't shoot me. We have, who is back there? Steven and back there. No, LJ, don't shoot me.
Who's covering the right flank?
Those two.
No one.
In that case, LJ, get down there.
Not allowed to move the Alamo. Or leave it.
Still be in the Alamo, just cover the right flank.
Wait, you still They're definitely sniping for the tree. Yep, that's
Okay, someone swap out. I'll just try to take him out down there.
got it.
Guys, I'm in the center of the Alamo, don't shoot me.
I'm coming out of the tree. You getting out of here, Marshall?
Nope. Videotaping.
Belly must have gone a different way. You see anything up there?
No.
No. Oh, there's nothing here.
Steven, you see anyone?
No. Look at the doctor over here.
Don't yell, you're gonna give away your position.
There's also the secret bunker back there, I know that. remember that from the videotape. It's somewhere over there.
No, it's back there.
Right there.
Oh, it's right. That's it. Really?
Steven, do you have any contact?
No, he doesn't.
So they're staying back on the road? We want to leave the Alamo?
Guys, just say, I think they're pulling a full flank from behind.
What's the back path then? That's what we got there.
I'll cover the back.
Can we get the side?
Matt, you're leaving the Alamo.
Oh.
I would have to call you out if you did.
Where is the Alamo? This is
You're
right
in
here.
it.
Oh. Whatever. Like 3 paths over here, Nolan.
Okay.
And that's where you shot
Matt.
Billy from.
Cover the back, okay?
Nolan, isn't this where you shot Billy from?
Yeah, I shot Billy from down there.
I hear a noise down there. Oh wait,
Yeah?
I hear him down there.
Matt, watch out, you're leaving the Alamo again.
The path. There's a, see this, nope, you have the Alamo.
Billy. Can't find Billy. Oh, there's Billy. They don't know where you are. They think you left. Keep moving. Guys, I'll be back with more interesting stuff.
I don't think a shotgun can meet that far.
He's using a sniper rifle, not a shotgun.
He just went back. Nolan!
Yeah?
We need a long range! We need Brad's over here. I'll give you this. Someone's over here shooting at us.
I hit the riot shield.
I know, okay. Watch me. That's exactly where you're gonna run. Okay, just watch me. There's Billy. Hey, whoa! There you go, Billy. Billy, run over here. Dude, you can rog him around. I'm not shooting, I don't have a gun. Brad, run up. Billy, run there. Do it, because you can go around. Watch out.
I got you!
Yeah, Billy, you're hit. You're hit.
Okay, I'll just run back and walk back.
Oh, Billy spawned.
Billy's flanking! Cover the back!
Back.
They're shooting from the front. Here's another thing for 20 minutes.
Nolan, they're in the front too.
Someone cover the back right!
Oh shoot!
Wait, back right?
Yeah.
How is he flanking all the way through there? What was that?
That was me.
Devin just got
Someone cover Billy! He's taking the, like, right field 3 path!
from the left. Take field.
Focusing on Billy. I mean Brad. Someone's gonna cover him.
Cover who?
Billy is going around. He's gonna kill us all if you don't get him. Look up there, back there.
I'll find Billy, I'll be back. Okay guys, I found Billy. He's gonna be flanking around from behind, even though they know that he's coming. Tell you when he gets through this. There's Billy over there.
I don't know if that.
Billy. It's me!
Round! I think. It could have been just Marshall stepping.
It was probably me.
It's probably him, but oh well. Take a few shots just in case.
Shoot the heck out.
It says 7. You'll be fine.
Don't shoot me. Billy, watch out. There is 2 snipers trained on you. Keep moving though. You'll be fine. Go. Me! Don't worry, it's me!
Billy, move! He just crossed over here.
Billy's in the back. Get ready.
It's flanking around us.
Brad's still down there. I'll cover.
Guys, I'm coming out the front. Devin, Brad, Corey, whoever's out there, don't shoot me. I'm coming out the front of the Alamo. With my hands up, you almost hit me. Billy, here comes shield. Billy, you're out of ammo. You're not shooting.
Huh?
You're not shooting.
Shit.
Don't shoot me. This is me. Right here. Oh, God. Billy, watch out.
Get a riot shield back here now!
Devin, move. Billy, stay down. Devin will get him.
I'll cover down there. You cover that.
Devin, watch out.
Entering the Alamo! I got you, Billy! Ow, fuck, hit in the leg. Move it. Billy, you're already dead. No, you're not. I'm not even hit. Shit, I'm out.
Oh, that one was good.
Steven's dead! Damn it!
Whoever's in the bushes down there. Gotcha.
Who was that, Devin?
Corey.
Corey. Oh, wait, Corey's been the one giving us trouble this whole time? Hell yeah!
Yeah, Corey, that's my boy.
You've been hiding back there this whole time?
Do not shoot.
I'm not.
Dude,
Just cross.
is anybody dead?
He was the guy I was trying to say.
Steven. And that's, wait, Matt, you get to...
Bonner, did you get hit? Oh, you're out. Go back to the staging area. Back to where everybody else
Matt,
is.
leave your shotgun here. We can use that.
We're losing men left and right.
How much? Yeah, Matt, you don't need a block. Oh, look at that. I see. Matt, take your head. Billy was over there. I know. I think I still see him. Corey, what gun do you have?
Light them up. Billy, they're doing what we did with the riot shield. Jack, go like this. Go like this.
No, you missed. Here, leave
Who's
that.
up? Oh, wait, that's Matt.
Billy, don't shoot me on the big rock. Yeah, don't shoot Corey.
Marshall, time.
Yeah, this isn't going to work. I'm just going to use the side. I know Billy's still back there. I see him. Yo, watch out, right there.
Billy, make this quick. You're running out of time. Yeah.
Yo, Corey, what gun do you have?
I have a shotgun. Where did I get out?
Matt.
No, I did. I got sniped
You
someone.
shot
up.
this.
No, I
It must have been Matt.
LJ's out.
No, I didn't get hit.
No, it hit your foot. I saw it.
That's one. Oh, wait, is it one hit kill?
Yeah. Brad, go. Billy, watch out. Nolan's there.
Wait, is it a one hit kill?
Yeah.
Ah, damn. Ah, I'm hit.
LG's out.
Again.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh, God. Oh, Nolan with the shotty. It's getting intense. Billy, save the ammo. Oh! He's out.
Fuck.
We're out.
Game!